What if I told you that the only real difference between you and the challenges you face is the way you view your own toolkit? What if you realized that you don't need to know every single step before you start, because you have the capacity to learn as you go? Hi, I'm Za, and welcome back to my channel. Take a deep breath with me. Wherever you are, I want you to bring your attention down to your feet. Feel the way they press against the floor. If you are sitting or standing, try shifting your weight just a little, from your heels to your toes and back again. Notice how your body automatically balances itself. It's a natural, built-in ability to adjust. You are ready to move. This is the starting point for today. You are capable. It is very common to feel a sense of doubt when we step into the unknown. Our brains are naturally wired to look for patterns of safety, and when we see something new or difficult, we sometimes mistake newness for incapability. But you have navigated thousands of new experiences in your life, from the first time you learned a new skill to the way you've handled sudden changes in your daily routine. You have a long history of figuring things out as you go. That isn't luck. That is your natural resourcefulness at work. Capability isn't about being an expert at everything before you begin. It is about the trust you have in your own mind to problem solve, to ask the right questions, and to find a path forward. You have a track record of survival and growth that is undeniable. You are not a spectator in your own life. You are an active participant, and your brain is designed to adapt to whatever is in front of you. As you move through your day, use this as a mental reset. When you hear that inner voice suggesting that you might be out of your depth, try to answer it with a bit of evidence. Now, I want you to close your eye for a moment. Think about a time you handled something you were initially unsure of. Remind yourself that you don't need to have all the answers. You just need the willingness to start. We are practicing a shift away from the "I don't know if I can" and toward "I can figure this out." You have the mental bandwidth to handle your current schedule, your upcoming challenges, and the unexpected twists that life brings. Imagine walking through your afternoon with a sense of active confidence. Picture yourself approaching a difficult email, a household project, or a tough conversation, not with the fear of failure, but with the quiet knowledge that you have the skills to handle it. You are creating a healthy new habit of self-reliance. This isn't about being perfect. It's about being effective. You are showing yourself that you are the type of person who stays engaged until a solution is found. Your mind and body are working in harmony right now to support your focus. You don't have to wait for someone else to give you the green light to move forward. You can trust your own judgment. This is your space to let go of the doubt story and start writing a new one based on the reality of your own track record. You are a person who adapts, who learns, and who grows. Let's reinforce this right now. As you listen, I want you to say these words quietly to yourself, or just feel the weight of them in your mind. This is about training your brain to recognize the facts. I am capable. I have a proven history of figuring things out. I am am resourceful. I can find a way through any challenge. I am adaptable. I can adjust my approach as I learn. I am ready. I have everything I need to take the next step. Before we finish, let's take 3 deep breaths together to settle into this realization and bring your body into a state of rest. Breath 1. Inhale deeply. And as you exhale, feel the tension release from your forehead and jaw. Breath 2. Inhale confidence. And as you exhale, let go of the fear of not knowing the answer yet. Breath 3. Inhale readiness. And as you exhale, feel your mind clear and sharpen for the tasks ahead. Do you feel that? That is the feeling of a mind that is empowered. That is the energy of someone who is no longer waiting for permission to be successful. You are resourceful today because you have realized that your capacity for growth is limitless. You are a capable person, and your life is a series of successful adaptations. You are ready. You are skilled. Go out there and trust that you are on your way towards success. Thank you for watching. Remember that I believe in you.